guys, it's Marissa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a Halloween look. This won't be a talk through. I'll just be doing music in the background just because I need to like sort of concentrate on what the heck I am doing. But I'm going to do a look sort of like with gems, and it's going to be like a skull kind of. I'm not gonna use the paint in this. I'm just gonna use this little breakout thing. If you want to see the rest of the Halloween looks I've been creating so far, please check out my Instagram, CurvyGirlCurly. It's just like my YouTube name. I haven't done as much as I've wanted to just because I've just been like, yeah, just a lot going on. But yeah, if you want to check out the other looks I did, feel free to check out my Instagram. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please comment down below. I love interacting with all of you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. If you want to see the little skull look I create, then please keep watching. Bye. Like I said, I won't be doing a talk through in this video, but I did just want to let you guys know that my camera was being a little wonky. So it kept dying and it kept overheating and it was just like not cooperating. So if I do jump a lot from like one phase to another, it's just because my camera died or overheated, so I couldn't film everything in sequence. But anyway, I really do hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Thanks for watching.
Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Jack it up.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever try.